MS Dhoni, the unyielding maverick of Indian cricket. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, commonly known as MS Dhoni, is one of the most iconic figures in the world of cricket. Renowned for his calm demeanor, sharp cricketing acumen, and leadership qualities, Dhoni has left an indelible mark on Indian and international cricket. From leading India to historic victories to redefining the role of a wicket-keeper batsman, Dhoni's contributions to the sport are unparalleled. This article delves into the life, career, and enduring legacy of MS Dhoni. Early life and background. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was born on July 7, 1981, in Ranchi, Jharkhand, then part of Bihar. His father, Pan Singh, worked in junior management positions in Makan, and his mother, Devki Devi, was a homemaker. Dhoni's early interest in sports was diverse. He initially played football and badminton, excelling as a goalkeeper in football. However, his cricketing journey began when his school coach identified his potential as a wicketkeeper and batsman. Dhoni honed his skills at the Commando Cricket Club and later at the Central Coalfields Limited (CCL) team. His consistent performances in domestic cricket caught the attention of selectors, paving the way for his entry into the higher echelons of Indian cricket. Rise to prominence. Dhoni's breakthrough came in 2004 when he was selected for the Indian ODI team. His initial matches were unremarkable, but he announced his arrival in spectacular fashion with a blistering 148 against Pakistan in Visakhapatnam. This innings showcased his explosive batting style and fearless approach, traits that would become hallmarks of his career. Dhoni's consistent performances earned him a place in the Test team, where he continued to impress with his aggressive yet composed batting. His leadership qualities began to shine through, leading to his appointment as the captain of the Indian T20 team for the inaugural ICC World 2020 in 2007. Captaincy and historic achievements. Dhoni's captaincy era is often regarded as a golden period in Indian cricket. Under his leadership, India achieved several historic milestones, including 1. ICC World 2020, 2007. In his first major assignment as captain, Dhoni led a young Indian team to victory in the inaugural ICC World 2020 in South Africa. The triumph was a significant achievement, marking India's resurgence in limited overs cricket. Though ICC Cricket World Cup 2011, perhaps the pinnacle of Dhoni's career came when he led India to victory in the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup. His iconic six to seal the win in the final against Sri Lanka at Wankhede Stadium remains etched in the memory of cricket fans worldwide. This victory ended India's 28-year wait for a World Cup title. 3. ICC Champions Trophy 2013. Dhoni became the first and only captain to win all three major ICC trophies when India clinched the ICC Champions Trophy in 2013. His leadership and strategic acumen were instrumental in India's success. 4. Test cricket success. Under Dhoni's captaincy, India achieved the #1 ranking in Test cricket for the first time in 2009. His calm and composed leadership style helped India secure memorable Test series victories, including the win against Australia in 2008 and the series triumph in New Zealand in 2009. Playing style and skills. Dhoni's playing style is characterized by his unique batting technique and exceptional wicket-keeping skills. As a batsman, he is known for his unorthodox shots, powerful hitting, and the ability to finish games under pressure. His helicopter shot, a wristy flick that sends the ball soaring over the boundary, became his trademark and a symbol of his innovative approach to batting. As a wicketkeeper, Dhoni's quick reflexes, sharp stumpings, and ability to read the game set him apart. He holds numerous records for dismissals and is widely regarded as one of the best wicket-keeper batsmen in the history of cricket. Indian Premier League (IPL) success. Dhoni's impact on the Indian Premier League (IPL) is profound. As the captain of the Chennai Super Kings (CSK), he led the team to multiple titles, making CSK one of the most successful franchises in IPL history. His leadership and performances in the IPL have further solidified his status as a cricketing legend. Off the field. Beyond his cricketing exploits, Dhoni is known for his humility, sportsmanship, and philanthropy. He has supported various charitable initiatives and is an inspiration to millions for his dedication, hard work, and resilience. Dhoni's personal interests include his love for motorcycles and his association with the Indian Army. He holds an honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army, reflecting his deep respect for the armed forces. Retirement and legacy. Dhoni announced his retirement from Test cricket in 2014, followed by his retirement from international limited overs cricket in August 2020. His departure from the international scene marked the end of an era, but his influence on the game continues through his involvement in the IPL and mentoring young cricketers. MS Dhoni's legacy is not just defined by his records and achievements but also by his impact on the sports culture and the next generation of cricketers. His calm demeanor, strategic brilliance, and ability to perform under pressure have set new standards for leadership and performance in cricket. MS Dhoni's journey from a small-town boy to a global cricketing icon is a story of talent, hard work, and unwavering determination. His contributions to Indian cricket are immense, and his legacy as a captain, player, and role model will continue to inspire future generations. Dhoni's name will forever be synonymous with excellence, leadership, and the indomitable spirit of cricket.